Hey guys, welcome back to HarmonWeb channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase hosting on HarmonWeb. If you want to purchase hosting from HarmonWeb, when you go to harmonweb.com, you hover on this hosting. Now, if you hover on hosting, you'll see there are different kinds of web hosting listed here. Now, first, I'm going to explain what each of these hosting means. Now, when it comes to shared hosting is a type of web hosting service in which multiple websites are sharing a single server. So in this hosting, each website is given a certain amount of server resources, such as disk space, bandwidth, and CPU usage. Then Exoic hosting is for those that want to host their website using Exoic. Integrating Exoic name servers with your website sometimes causes errors. So when you purchase this hosting, then it's particularly set up for Exoic. Now, the next one is powerful VPS. VPS hosting is also known as virtual private server hosting. It's a type of web hosting service that allows users to have their own virtual server within a shared physical server. This actually means multiple servers can exist on a physical server. Now, the next is reseller hosting. This hosting is for those who want to start a reseller business, which is you want to start reselling hosting and making money and other stuff. So, email hosting is a web hosting service that allows businesses to host their email accounts on a dedicated server or a cloud server instead of relying on free email service providers such as Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail. So these are hosting you can choose from depending on the kind of project you want to build. So, but in this tutorial, we're going to start with share those things. So I'm going to click on share those things. When you click on share hosting, you scroll down. Now here you can select the hosting you want to purchase. Now if you look at this hosting, you see that this is shared hosting, but this hosting plans differs from the price, and not only the price, the bandwidth, the disk space, and the CPU. So you can start small. You can start from this one, depending on the one you can afford. Then with time, you can upgrade to this and to this. But we're going to select this one. I'm going to click purchase now. Now you have to make sure that these, like for example, if you're migrating your website and it's already getting enough traffic, like a lot of traffic, like 10K views or 20K views per month or per day, you have to make sure that you purchase a hosting that is sustainable for that website, because you cannot purchase this particular hosting and be expecting it to carry a traffic of 10K views or 20K views per day. So you have to go for either VPS hosting, or you go for shared business hosting, or you buy the shared VIP hosting. Now, the next step we clicked on is here. Now, you can buy a domain without buying a hosting, and later you can buy hosting for the domain. But anytime you want to buy a hosting, you have to purchase. You have to link a domain to that hosting. It's either you register a new domain, you transfer a new domain, or you use an existing domain you have. So in this tutorial, we need to use an existing domain. So I'm going to type a domain like your domain. Then here you have to put in the extension you want to use. There are a lot of extensions, as you know. There's .com.ng, there's .ng, there's .org, and there's .net. So when you do that, you click on use. Now when you click on use, you can see the domains already registered with us. You need to cancel it prior to placing new order. So let's add domains. Okay, this so that one is available. So after doing that, you can see next step is to choose your billing cycle. You can pay for 1 month, you can pay for 3 month price, you can pay for 6 months price, you can pay for 12 month price, you can pay for 24 months or 36 months. One good thing about this is that even if you pay for 24 months price and you want to upgrade later, the price you pay will minus from the hosting you want to upgrade to, so you don't need to worry about it. When you want to upgrade your hosting, you can create a support ticket with HarmonWeb so that they will help you with it. So after doing that, you have to choose your billing cycle. If you want, you can still leave it a month, whereby you'll be renewing your hosting every month. But if you choose 3 months, you'll be renewing your hosting every 3 months. So I'm going to click on continue because I selected only 1 month price. The next step is you have to review your order. Now you say I have previous order here, so I'm going to kind of delete this one, because this was order I placed before, so I don't want it. So yeah, you have the option to delete order you added before or add more order. If you want to add you want to like continue shopping, you can click continue shopping right here. So you can add more order to you can add more products to your cart. So another thing is that yeah, you can input your promo code. If you have any promo code that was like HarmonWeb do give offers sometimes, so you can shut up their billing support. You can set up their billing support at billing@harmonweb.com and request for a promo code if there's anyone available. So if there's any promo code available, once you put it right here, you click validate code. But the promo code is mostly for those that want to purchase a hosting of 1 year, and also their hosting package that comes with free domain. Now, if you come back here, you'll see that we have one free domain included, one free domain included, one free domain included. Now, this one free domain is for if you purchase the hosting for 1 year and not 1 month. If you pay for hosting for 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, it will not come with free domain unless you pay for 1 year. And sometimes this free domain might be .com.ng. You have to you have to read your terms of condition in order to see the domain they offer for free on HarmonWeb. So this we are back to our cart. So I'm going to click on checkout. When I click on checkout, in this option, if you have account, like let me say you've already registered on HarmonWeb before placing order, you can click already registered and log into your account. So since or you if you don't have account, you can create account right here. And see you put your billing address. And one thing you need to make sure you put the correct address because this the correct information because this will be used for your who is information. I don't know if you have heard about who is. So when you are doing who is domain lookup, this information will be used on your domain. Any each information you fill in right there. So you have to make sure the information is correct. So when you fill in your information, your country, your state, your street address, so you can click how do you find us? Then you choose from like where you heard about HarmonWeb. Then here you can choose if you're a developer or not. Then who you are creating website for. You can choose for yourself or a client. Then here you can put in your password. So after putting your password, here you can select the payment method you are used to. Like if you prefer bank transfer, you can do bank transfer. If you prefer floater wave where you pay with your card, or you choose paystack where you pay with your card. So after that, you can add a short note like I'm saying the reason why you purchased hosting, why you prefer hosting. So this additional note is good for feedback which can give back to you. And that's it, you have to toggle join mailing list. So this is very important because once you take this, each time we have new offer. Each time HarmonWeb has new offer, they will send you an email like discount codes or stuff like that. You can also follow up their social media pages for more updates like on discount code or any offer they bring or any offer that is given. So the next thing you have to make sure you take this. I have read terms and conditions, and it's very very important to read these terms of service. Now you have to click on it, and when you click on it, you make sure you read these terms of service in case of there's any issue you have in it, like in the future and you're not aware of. Everything is written on these terms and conditions so that in the future you'll not be saying, "Hey, I didn't see these," or I didn't know that this is how it works. So you have to make sure you read the terms of service to understand how buying products on HarmonWeb works. So you make sure you read it from A to Z. It's very, very important. So after taking that, you have to click on complete order. Well, now, when you click on complete order, it's going to redirect you to the place where you make payments. And once your payment is confirmed, the product or services will be activated. Now, the information of your product or services or your hosting will be sent to your email, including your login detail, your cPanel, including your cPanel login details. So this is how to purchase hosting on HarmonWeb. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.